The inauguration function was chaired by the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Pravin Bakshi, as chief guest. In the presence of Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities as special guest Sabrilla B. Marak, the Deputy Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Government of Meghalaya, Bridget Washaw, as special guest, and Ram Shakal Sahani, Officer in Charge, CRC Shillong. The inauguration function was chaired by the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Pravin Bakshi, as chief guest. In the presence of Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities as special guest Sabrilla B. Marak, the Deputy Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Government of Meghalaya, Bridget Washaw, as special guest, and Ram Shakal Sahani, Officer in Charge, CRC Shillong.
I am Ram Shakal Sahani, Officer in Charge and Assistant Professor in Special Education. So this is CRC Shillong. CRC Shillong, it means Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, under administrative control of NIEP MD, NIPMED Chennai, Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. So today we have done here ADIP distribution for visually impairment children. So we distributed 65 Android tablet, and presence of the Commissioner Secretary Sri Pravin Bakshi IAS, Government of Meghalaya, Department of Social Welfare, and the special guest is Srimati Sabrilla B. Marak, Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Meghalaya, and Deputy Commissioner Bridget K. Washaw for persons with disabilities. So this Android tablet is very useful for visually impairment children. With the help of this Android tablet, visually impairment children can study very well, and they can download so many apps that is helpful for the visually impairment children, and it is very good for the orientation and mobility here and there. So this Android tablet is a very good gift for the disabled person, especially visually impairment children in the state of the Meghalaya. This is January month 2023, and this is a New Year gift from the CRC Shillong. And all 65 visually impairment children are very happy to receive this Android tablet, because of this Android tablet is a very good condition, and they can upload the apps also with the Play Store as per the requirement of the visually impairment children. So the programs is already installed approx 16 special apps, those used by the visually impairment children. And also I want to say that there is the navigation app. So with the help of the navigation app, visually impairment children are not able to see, and traveling problem is always they are facing. So with the help of this Android tablet, they can easily move here and there, and they will be not required to ask anybody to this place, where is that place, like that. And if they have that Android tablet, then they can move easily. And also they can use the e-library. With the use of the e-library, they can download the books in the PDF form also, and they can read the book very easily. So this is very good for the study.
For everyday use here, and only for reading?
No, not only for the reading. The Android tablet is helpful for the study, reading and writing, and like the typing the text also. And also this is very helpful for the mobility, and also this is very helpful for the getting knowledge and updating themselves with the internet and other facilities. And that is talking tablet. They can use 2 SIM card also there, and they can easily talk and communicate with different persons also.